She's up there. Not Bella. She's up there. She doesn't like the water, no. Out here in the hot springs, natural hot springs today because it's raining and overcast. Come here, Bella. Come here to Mommy. Come here to Mommy. Come here, Bella. Bella, come. Come to Mommy. She just wants a blanket. Yeah, come here, Bella. Walk around. Walk around, Bella. So the natural water coming down.
Oh, yeah, I think they're kind of cute.
Oh, perfect. Mountains, the trees. They're so cute. Little buddies. Mountain goats. This beautiful day. Good girl, she likes the hot springs. She's waiting in there. Oh, that's really cute. Hazel, go with your sister. So cute. They're having their hot springs time. She says, nope, I'm going to go check out my sister. Soaking up by natural healing minerals today. Having a spa day. I know. Especially if they smell her. I know. See if she can cross the water. Oh, good girl, Hazel. That's so cute. She's like, now how do I get over this rock, Mommy?
Come sit on my lap, baby. Sit on my lap.
No, she says, not today. Not today. I want to go and find my friend.
Come here, Sister. Come on.
Snow still up there on the mountains. So beautiful. Yeah. Plenty warm. Plenty. Hi! She's like, it's starting to rain again. Gotta come for safety. She's getting in the hot springs. Good girl, Bella. Hi, Bella. Lay down. Good girl. Steam coming down. Say you love me again. Unbreak this heart. So the start you can do is just get a ball, get a workout ball, because it's a great way to stretch. So you can twist your body on it and just stretch. It gives you stability because you're holding on with your feet. And then you can just slide to the side and stretch your toe. Slide to the side and stretch your toe. For reference, if you want to see. It doesn't matter if you're whatever size you are. It's so important to get off the couch and stretch. We just don't stretch enough. So stretch your body, especially before you go work out. Stretch your arm, stretch your arm. Work on your flexibility, stabilizing yourself. A lot of secretaries now have moved to these stability balls so that when they're typing and they're working with customers, you're conscious of having to keep your back straight and you're having to use your strength, your flexibility, so that it's not all over the place. So you're kind of consciously having to go. And then if you're smart, you can go like this while you're in between typing, or while you're typing, actually, and just work your core strength and stretch during, and stretch, and stretch, and lean back during break, and stretch, and go to the side and stretch. Put your feet out and stretch, stretch, and stretch. Do you understand? Do you get my drift? I want to make a few videos like this, showing you and reminding you to stretch your body, work on flexibility at any age, any size. Let's just get up and stretch.